Good morning, kiddos. Are you all ready for a new chapter? Yes. So let's start with a story. As we usually do, we start a new chapter with a story. Okay. So here is one of my student named Dev, and I have other student named Deep. And one fine day, I bought chocolates for them. That is 2 chocolate I bought. And these 2 chocolates have to be divided equally between these 2 kids. Yes, then only I can justify them. So 2 chocolates is to be divided between 2 kids, and hence both of them will get 1 chocolate each. Yes, and the next, so this is the 1 chocolate for Deep and this is 1 chocolate for Dev. Okay. Now next day again Dev and Deep are there. Fine. But next day I bought only 1 chocolate bar between them. And there are 2 kids. Yes. So this 1 chocolate is to be divided equally between these 2 kids. Yes. So 1 chocolate is to be divided between 2 kids. Fine. So what I'll do? What I'll do, kids? Yes. I'll break the chocolate into 2 equal parts, and I will give 1 part to Dev and the other part to Deep. But remember students, I have to break it into equal parts. तो ही दोनों को सेम मिलेगा ना, सेम देना चाहिए. ठीक है? This part is 1 divided by 2. Yes, and this part is also 1 divided by 2. Will you say that they have got 1 chocolate each? No, they haven't got a whole chocolate. They have got 1 part out of 2 equal parts. Yes, Dev has got 1 part out of 2 equal parts, and Deep has got 1 part out of 2 equal parts. They have not got the whole 1 chocolate. Yes. So how can I write these part in mathematical terms? I cannot write it as 1 because it is not 1. एक पूरी चॉकलेट नहीं है ना, वो 1 से कम है. It is less than 1. It is 1 divided by 2. That is 1 divided into 2 equal parts. Yes, this is 1 part out of 2 equal parts. And this is also 1 part out of 2 equal parts. Yes. So how do I represent it in a mathematical way? Well, students, for this we use fractions. Yes. So our today's topic is fractions. Kids, fraction is a very important topic, and this topic you will learn in a further chapter also, or further standards also. Pay attention because this will be useful to you when you grow up. Fine. Now, coming back, how would I write it in the mathematical term? That is, we will use fraction, and we will have this type of number. That is 1 part out of 2. It is read as 1 by 2. And up till now, introduction to the fraction is done in your previous standards. 3rd standard में आपने पढ़ा है. Yes, so we just quickly revised it. Now today I am going to teach you one term known as equivalent fraction. Fine. So let's move on. That is, see, the 1 is the number of the part the student has or he has, and 2 is the total number of equal part. This is how you write the fraction. That is the part you have and the total number of equal parts. ठीक है? A fraction is a part of whole. It is not a whole. पूरी नहीं है. It is a part of whole. Fine. Now tell me students, how you represent this figure? That is 2 colored parts and 3 parts. So 2 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. This you have already learned. ठीक है? ये 4 color है तो 4 by 6. Now this will be 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 by 4. 1 is colored part and 4 equal parts. and here there are two, okay, two colored parts, so 2 will be the numerator, and how many parts? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so 8. Fine, this I will represent as 3 by 5, 3 color part and 5 equal parts, and this will be 6 by 8 because 6 is the color, sorry, 6 by 10 because 6 is the color part and it's divided into 10. Okay, now this is one color part out of 2 equal part. Okay, and this is 2 colored part out of 4, so this is 2 by 4, and this is 1 by 3, this is 2 by 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so this you have already learned. Fine, but I want you to have a careful view on this slide. Do you find any similarity? कुछ भी आपको similarity दिख रही है? Yes? See, in the first example wherein we have blue shades, here also you have same number of shaded portion and here also you have same number of shaded portion. See, if I cut this paper horizontally, यहाँ से मैं अगर मैं कट करूंगी फिर भी इसकी वैल्यू तो सेम रहने वाली है, शेडेड पोर्शन जो है वो तो सेम ही रहने वाला है, ठीक है ना. आप विजुअली देखिए कैसा ये हो रहा है. दिस इज ऑल्सो 2 पार्ट्स एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो 2 पार्ट्स. इफ ओनली आई डिवाइड इट हियर इट विल बी 4 पार्ट. See, here also green, 1 is colored and 1 here is colored. Here 3 is colored and here also 3 yellow is colored. But I am cutting this paper from here horizontally. So shaded portion तो उतना ही रह रहा है. मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि shaded portion को मैं बढ़ा रही हूँ. Clear? So these are known as equivalent fraction. आप देखिए, देखने में तो सारे सेम ही लग रहे हैं ना. अगर ये लाइन अगर मैं मिटा दूँ तो it will be this. यहाँ पे भी ये लाइन मिटा दूँ तो it will be this. If I erase this line, it will be this. Or if I draw one line here, this part will be this part. So these are known as equivalent fraction. Okay, only by mere observation you can say that it's equivalent fraction. अब आगे देखते हैं what is exactly equivalent fraction. ठीक है, so we saw that same shaded portion. I agree students that it's having same shaded portion but the numerator is different and the denominator is different but value तो same ही है. ठीक है, let's justify the statement. So same shaded portion आपको याद रखना है. Fine, now let's take an example of laddus. Okay, usually we take example of pizzas for fractions, but pizza is a junk food and I don't like pizza. I like laddu because it's healthy food. Fine, so what I do is I have taken one laddu and I have broken down it into 2 equal parts and I have eaten one part which I have represented by a shaded portion. Fine, so ये है one shaded portion out of 2 portions, so this is half. Fine, इतना समझ आया. Now what I do, I take other laddu and I break it into 4 equal parts and 4 part में से मैं 2 part खा लेती हूँ. So I eat 2 parts out of 4 part. So मैंने कितना लड्डू खाया? हाफ लड्डू खाया ना. 4 में से मैंने 2 खा लिए तो मैंने हाफ ही खाया. ठीक है, now I take the third laddu and I break it into 6 equal parts. 6 parts में divide किया है but I eat 3 part. 3 part I eat, that is 6 में से अगर मैं 3 खा लेती हूँ तो मैंने कितना खाया? हाफ खा लिया है ना. Now I take 4th laddu and the 4th laddu I have broken down it into 8 equal parts. 8 टुकड़े किए हैं जो equal parts में है. Okay, and I have eaten 4 part out of it. So जब मैं 8 में से 4 खा लेती हूँ मतलब मैंने कितना लड्डू खाया? आधा लड्डू खा लिया, that is I have eaten half laddu. So can I say that half, 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and 4 by 8. This is how you read. I hope you know. I have explained you in your division chapter कि इसको कैसे read करते हैं. So half, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8 are known as equivalent fractions. ओके ये फ्रैक्शंस है ना, दिखने में तो सेम ही लगते हैं. ओके दे हैव द सेम वैल्यू बट दे हैव द डिफरेंट न्यूमरेटर एंड डिफरेंट डिनोमिनेटर. अंदर से उनका बेस जो है वो सेम होता है. ठीक है ना. सो लेट्स हैव अनदर एग्जाम्पल. फाइन. This is the other example wherein I have one piece of paper, okay, and I have shaded one part. So this is 1/3. Now what I do is I again draw a vertical line here, here and here, and so I get this figure, that is 2/6. Okay, then again I draw this portion one line and here one line, so I'll get 12 equal parts, that is 4/12 I'll get. फाइन. आई यू विजुअलाइजिंग व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू. एक स्ट्रिप लिया है, उसमें कलर किया है, देन आई एम ड्रॉइंग द लाइन्स ओनली. आई हैव ड्रॉन द लाइन्स. फाइन. इफ आई ड्रॉ आई कम टू हियर, इफ आई ड्रॉ अगेन आई कम हियर. सो द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर आर चेंजिंग. yes, it's 1/3, it's 2/6 and 4/12, but the value is remaining the same. Yes, the shaded portion is remaining the same, or I can say that the total is the same. These are the same fractions as they represents the same quantity. Quantity तो same ही है, भले उसका न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर अलग है, बट उसकी जो वैल्यू है ना वो सेम ही है. दिखने में आपको पता चलता है ना. सी द शेडेड पोर्शन इज द सेम. ठीक है. सो आई कैन से दैट 1/3, 2/6 and 4/12 आर equal. And these three are known as equivalent fraction. So what are equivalent fractions? The fractions that have same value but different numerator and denominator are equivalent fractions. Fine. Let's take one more example. See, this watermelon is there. Watermelon here I have cut it into 4 equal parts and I have ate one पार्ट, दैट इज 1/4. एंड दूसरे वाटरमेलन को मैंने 8 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है एंड आई हैव ईटन 2 पार्ट्स. सो मैंने एक क्वार्टर पार्ट इसमें से क्वार्टर खाया और इसमें से भी क्वार्टर खाया, तो वैल्यू तो सेम खाई. एक तरबूज में से भी क्वार्टर खाया, दूसरे तरबूज में से भी क्वार्टर सेक्शन खाया. ठीक है ना. सो दीज आर इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस एंड आई कैन से दैट 2/8 एंड 1/4 आर equal. Now how you can find whether the fraction is equivalent or not, this I explain you by mere observation. देखने से ही आपको पता चल जाएगा कि ये equivalent fraction है, but calculation wise I will teach you in the next video. So this is all for today's section. Okay.